Hello, I'm Peter from the Australian Worm Firm, and today I will show you how to change your worm farm tap. Sometimes your worm farm tap may break, it may be of a lower quality construction, and so it's important to know how to fix that and how to get a better quality tap for the future. Usually with a worm farm tap you'll find it's the top part that breaks or can get damaged, and the rest of the tap therefore starts to leak. So to change your worm farm tap is a couple of very easy steps. First of all, lift off the trays of your worm farm, and you will find the tap at the front. Usually the tap will have a nut that you can take off. Slide the tap forwards and you have the washers free. You can buy replacement worm farm taps from the Australian Worm Firm. Click on the link below and it will take you direct to the store where you can buy your replacement. To return your tap to the worm farm, put the washer on the front of the tap, slide it through the hole, put the replacement washer on the back, make sure they're nice and tightly together, return the nut on the end of the tap, screw it in, not too tight, just hand tight, and you're good to go. Return your trays to the top of the worm farm. Happy worm farming. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get more videos from the Australian Worm Firm. Thank you very much.